Hey, what's up, TELCOIN holder? So TELCOIN holder, this is very shock news for all holder, and holder must watch this video, otherwise you are completely in the loss. So watch this video, be safe from the loss. And my brother, you can see this time the TELCOIN is completely in the loss. And one thing, my friend, that I want to tell you, in last 7 days, you can see, my friend, this is very small for chain, but last 24 hours this coin is completely going the garbage, my friend, and very badly fell down. So therefore I'm so sad to see this minus 3.67% the price is decrease now. So my friend, if you want to, my friend, take a profit, and if you want to cannot they loss, so therefore my friend, change it now. So last 1 hour change occur, my friend, you can see 1.43% as increase now, and that's a very good news for all of you, my brothers. To this coin, it will wake up and go in the moon now. So let's see, my brothers, to what they do. But kindly hold, please like this video and subscribe this channel, and also press the bell icon for videos notification. So my friend, this time you can see, my friend, the change occur is going to be further to now, and I hope, my friend, in upcoming time this coin will also give you a good profit now. So as you can see, this time the TELCOIN is completely fails down from last 7 days. So why they fails down, and when they will wake up and they will give you a profit now. So I will tell you about this time, because my friend, this they fails down, and try to understand, to every holder, please, after a fails, every cryptocurrencies will wake up and take a huge jump now. So therefore I will tell you about this, to I know, my brother, in upcoming time they will give you a very good profit now. Let's see to what they do. But kindly like this video and subscribe this channel, and also press the bell icon for videos notification. The future is going to be bright now. This coin price will be go and to, my friend, a millionaire absolutely. And I hope, my friend, they will give you a very good price now, just and only at the end of month. So let's see to what they do. But kindly you need to hold it, don't sell it, and wait for a good time. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz, see you next time.